Hey everybody, Ken Kitsune here, and with another unboxing. What am I unboxing, you ask? Well, I'm unboxing the Yu-Gi-Oh! Structure Deck Yugioh. See, it has Dark Magician. So let's open it, shall we? Here's a rule book. Some kind of thing. Play mat. Let me mention the rule book. And here are the cards. I'm gonna put the cards in these sleeves. And if my friend Raijuru05 can get the Kaiba, maybe we could do a duel. Hold on. Hold on. This calls for a knife. There we go. Make sure not to damage the cards. Nope, doesn't seem to be damaged. Alright. Now let me put this knife back up. The cards are slipping. I have a cool knife. Alright, the first card in this deck is Imperion Magnium, the Superconductive Battlebot. There. Then it's Berserkion, the Electromagnet Warrior. Then it's Alpha, the Electromagnet Warrior. Then Beta, the Electromagnetic Warrior. Then Gamma, the Electromagnetic Warrior. Curryborn. Valkyrion, the Magnetic Warrior. Alpha, the Magnet Warrior. Beta, the Magnet Warrior. I am Gamma, 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 Gamma. Of course, the ever so Dark Magician. Dark Magician Girl. Buster Blader. Jack's Knight. Queen's Knight. King's Knight. Baphomet, a lot of high level stuff. Gazelle, King of the Mythical Beast. Obnoxious Celtic Guardian, or as they say in the Yu-Gi-Oh! Bridge, Agnostic Celtic Guardian! I don't know why I'm here. Giant Soldier of Stone. Kitty bow, yay! Skilled Dark Magician. Skilled White Magician. Twin-Headed Behemoth. Magnetic Field. Dark Magic Inheritance. Dark Magic Attack. Dark Magic Curtain. Mystic Box. Swords of Revealing Light. Spell Shattering Arrow. Polymerization. Diffusion. Swords of Concealing Light. Attack the Moon! Remember this from the anime? Magnet Conversion. Magician's Circle. Ooh, my favorite trap card. Mirror Force. Magic Cylinder. Soul Rope. Rock Bombardment. Arcana Knight Joker. Dark Paladin, yeah. Chimera. And Buster Blader, Dragon Swords. So, yes, Drew, if you're watching this and you're able to, you can get the Kaiba one, and we could do a little duel. Because I already got sleeves for these, so I'm probably going to make this as a little play deck. I might get 2 more of these and make my own deck, based around what I like. But I don't want to spend 20 bucks on the same stuff, so I'll just stick with this and duel for funsies. Funsies! But, yep, you just saw my unboxing video of Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game structure deck Yugioh. Will I do one on Kaiba? If I can find it, sure. But, oh yeah, I could show you what sleeves I'm going to be using. Or did I already show that? Just in case I didn't. I think this was going to be my Madolche deck, but, no. I'm going to use these sleeves. So, I'll be right back when I have these sleeved. This is going to take a while to sleeve all these, so I'm just going to end it here. And, well, I want to say thank you for watching. Leave a like down below if you like this. Leave a comment if you want to. And if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, hit that subscribe button. As always, bye-bye.